So here you go. Basically, this is the operating system, the software that we built on top of Android, and currently it's running 2.3. The team is working to port MIUI, it's called MIUI, over to 4.0.
Right.
Now let me do a little very simple demo of how the UIs and interactions looks like here on this OS. So you can certainly do a 3D
that's pretty cool.
serial view of those.
Okay.
You can go back and also do sort of a 2D, so think of it as a spinning view on the bottom, and you can also do some more, a mix of 2D plus 3D animations. Like this. Okay. Now the UI interactions, now those are the 3 screens you have, and you can keep adding more screens, and you can certainly also move the screens around, to a place where you want it to be.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
And come up. Now if you want to add widgets, this is what typically Android has, that adding widgets. And you do a long press, now all the available screens shows up. On top, on the bottom, these are all the system widgets. And to add a widget, what you have to do is to find a widget you want to add and just do a drag and drop.
Ah, that's cool.
Okay, so you just add a cloud widget and a photo gallery widget. And hit this button, comes up. There you go. This is the new screen that I just added. Okay, so we are not only doing a facelifting of the Android OS, but also improving the frame rate and the performance of the OS. We have benchmarked MIUI on the same hardware against the original Android OS 2.3,
right? And
it's 2 to 3 times faster.
Okay.
So guys, if you look at some of the animations that we do, it's much smoother than the original Android OS. Now, I'll talk about some of the services that we provide.
Oh, sure.
I want to show you some of the services that we built into the apps. For instance, this is our SMS apps. Here on SMS, you're just having people sending SMS back and forth.
Right.
And on this tab, we actually had an online SMS store where our server crawled the internet and grab the most popular greeting messages in Chinese, and then push from our server to your handsets. And for any of the given festivals and holidays that comes out, let's say for instance 春节短信, you bring up, and then you see hundreds of thousands of greeting messages that greets people for 春节 greetings get sent to your phone. Select the ones that you like, do a forward, and then from your contacts, multi-select all your friends. For instance, let me select a few here. Let's select 3. Okay, now you have my 3 friends with these greeting messages that I would like to forward to them and hope them to have a great spring festivals. And now there's no personalization in the message. Right. So if my 3 friends receive the message, say, hey, Bin must have copied from some general greeting messages, and it doesn't even put my name in there. So we actually also add these little features that allows you to customize the names by editing different names. Like for instance, for Li Wanqiang, I call him Hua Shengmi.
All right, so it's kind of like the nickname, right?
Yes, I can put in the nicknames, and after I finish editing this, go complete. You see little Chengwei, little green tag there.
Oh, I see.
The personalized name will be put there, and for Li Wanqiang, when he received the name, he would say Hua Shengmi, and he knows that I actually put his name in there.
All right. This is very customized to the Chinese culture, I guess. Right? It's the same in Taiwan and same in China.
Yeah, I'm sure. Right. So this greeting message. Now let me show you another online services that a lot of people would love to use.
What's this?
It's called Online Theme Store.
Okay.
And on Android handsets, there's the wallpapers, the lock screens, the icons, the fonts, everything are customizable. And what we do is we open up this system to allow people to customize all the themes on the handsets. Now let me just show you how people can customize the lock screen.
All right.
Okay. So here, let me close my handset, open it. The way I unlock my screen, push this and move it down. All right, that's very simple. And here, if you say, hey, I have been doing unlock screens, this type of unlock screen for a long time, what about I change it to something different? Not a problem. What about this Jin style unlock screens? Try that, apply. Okay, I'm going to close my screen, open it. Yeah, it becomes a gene. And
that's
if
pretty
you pull
sweet.
the little, pull the little tag in the middle, unlock. Now if you pull the tag on the left, it's almost like unzipping the genes. It goes straight into your dialer. And if you do the same on the right, it goes straight into SMS apps.
Alright.
Okay, and you say, okay, I've been using this unlock screen for a long time. What about I change to something different? And let me try to see if I can find something that comes with sound. Yeah, this is another unlock screen that the internet users design, and it's called the transformer unlock screen type. With sound and animation, put it down.
Oh, that's pretty awesome.
And you can do many different very interesting unlock screens. Right? You can even do this. And let me pick a. There's hundreds of this, and let me put this one. So now this is a 5-point unlock screens. So you hit the center tab. If you move up to here, it goes straight into unlock the screen. Goes straight into camera. And if you push this and move it to the top right, goes straight to your browsers. Right. So the entire system are opened, and then we encourage people to design their own unlock screens with sound, animations, with different styles, different ways of unlocking screens. We upload, they can upload to our server, and then we can push all these unlock screen styles to any of our users, and it's all for free.
Right.
So we have so many of these. We have the screens, we have the fonts, the icons, and so you can see we have these are 图标, those are icons. We have fonts. You can also do background wallpapers and 开机画面. You can also do lock screen, the lock screen wallpaper, lock screen music. Any of these. These are all services that we provide through our services, online services. Online backup. It actually backs up your call log, backs up your Wi-Fi settings, backs up your notes. Like you can use the notepads on your phone to take notes. And then one of the reasons that we back up the Wi-Fi setting is because if you go to a hotel or coffee shops and you get a password, you get online, on Starbucks and all those. Now, and you change your phone, you certainly want to have all these Wi-Fi settings and preserved. So next time you go back with the different phones,
it still works.
It still works.
Right. That's pretty awesome. So do we have to pay for this?
It's all for free. It's 100% free.
Wow.
So let me show you Miliao. Now for Miliao, it's sort of like WhatsApp, but it has a lot more features.
Okay.
And yeah, let me show you. Hang on a second. Let me see. Okay. There you go. Okay. So this is how. So I'm talking to Hongfeng, who's one of my co-founders, and you can do text messages.
You could say I love you.
Okay. Yeah, that's my love. Okay, love you. Boom. There you go. I love you. All right. And then you can not only doing text messages, you can also do voice recording. Hello, Hongfeng. I'm talking to Willy from Penhausen.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
There you go. So press, speak, release, send.
Okay.
It's a 5-second recording, gets sent over to Hongfeng. And it's not just a recording and send files. It's actually while the software is recording on this side, Hongfeng is able to start listening to it 2 seconds after I start speaking.
That's fast.
Yes, 2 seconds. So the delay is only 2 seconds. If I speak, let's say if I keep talking for a minute, 2 seconds after I start talking, Hongfeng can start downloading and listening to what I just speak 2 seconds ago.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah. And not only voice, I can also share pictures. Let's see if I can take a picture here. Let's send the pictures. There you go. Confirm. Boom. Get sent over.
That's freaking fast.
Yeah. And not only that, I can also share with Hongfeng where I am, my location.
Right.
So it started GPS, detect where I am, and in a second, I think we're indoors, so it's okay.
Right.
So it sends over where I am.
Correct.
It's a map. So if Hongfeng receives this and click on this, it launches Google Maps and show it on the maps where I am.
Okay.
Yeah. And then not only that, I can do handwriting. Yeah, it'll have use different color pen. You can send out my own handwriting and receive that my handwriting. I can even do sketches. Open this. Let me find. Okay, there you go. I can paint on top.
Oh.
You can have a little ear up here.
So that's nice.
And then now I'm just only talking to Feng Feng. What about there's the topics I would like to loop in another friend of mine called KK.
Right.
So here, hit this button, and it comes up and asks for. Let me drag someone that I would like to loop in. Now maybe Legion. Okay. Skip. Now it's creating multi-person chat. It's a group chat.
Right.
So in a second, a group that has myself, Hong Feng, and Legion being created. Whatever I said in this little group, the two of them will receive. Whatever they say in this little group, I can say.
So it's the same, right? So if let's say you send a voice message or pictures, they will still receive it as well.
Yeah.
Right.
Hello, I'm talking to Willy Wee from Penhausen here at Xiaomi. Boom. So I just send over a little voice recording that they both received. And most recently, we launched a new. We launched a new feature. It's called Person Around You.
Okay.
So here, if I look at, there you go. I can actually go. What is this? Confirm. There you go. So this is again another LBS services that I just added. I can see from my Miliao all the Miliao, all other Miliao users around me. So here you see within 100 meter, I see these users using Miliao. Oh, that's the messages. 500 meters, and then 1,000 meters, I see a bunch of them. And then if I want to just chat with them, I just click and then send a message to them.
Oh, that's pretty cool. So they can be like random people.
No, it has to be around you.
Around you.
Yeah, around you.
It's around you, but people that you don't know will be.
You can do settings. You can say I would only want my friends to see me.
Okay, I see.
Or I want any strangers to see me.
Right.
Or I want nobody to see me. So it's a setting that you can set. Like for
see.
instance, like if I say, hey, I really hate like this, having people see me around this area, just turn it off.
Okay.
Right? And then boom, it's gone.
Alright.
Cool. So it's all these services and you can certainly hear this is my profile. I can put in my names, where I work, where I graduated, and my little informations and my little daughter's pictures.
She's cute.
Yeah, thank you. And you can also do a friend broadcasting. Here, that's a tab that you can say anything here. Also, you can take a picture, you can do voice recording, you can do photo sharing, you can do sketches. And whatever you say here, all my friends in Miliao can receive them.
All right.
Right, so I don't have to say, send messages one at a time.
Like a newsfeed.
Yeah, like a friend-only newsfeed.
Right.
If you're not my friend, you can see it. You cannot see it. You cannot even search it. Yeah. So those are services. It works on iPhone, Android, and Nokia.
It's pretty cool.
Very fun. Yeah.
Right.
And if you hit that, it switches to the album view. Hit that again, goes back to the lyric view.
Right. So where do users get the songs?
This is on my SD card, so I downloaded and put on my SD card.
Right. So how about the lyrics? Like where does the lyrics come from?
The lyrics it's on the internet. You can search for them.
Okay.
Yeah, a lot of the lyrics are really well.
So will you match the music with the lyrics?
With the usually the matching algorithm is very simple. You take the name of the songs, the singer, and for that usually it's correct. But if you found the wrong lyric, there's a way you can correct it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Interesting.
that's a pair.